Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte Kakalaki. I'm from Charlotte Kakalacker. It's snowing out here, y'all. Did y'all get to see the snow? I don't think y'all got to see the snow. I live in Virginia. You do? How's Virginia? How is it down there? Good and cold tonight. Oh yeah, it's 15 degrees over here. It's snowing. Let me see if I can show y'all the snow. I'm gonna show y'all the snow. It's cold outside, so it's cold out there. I'm not gonna be out there that long, so. It's cold out there. Period. I better not go out there with glasses because they're going to think something wrong with me. Thank you. I appreciate that. They're going to think something wrong with me. That chick got glasses on in this door. Stay home. I don't know why people think they can drive. That just screams, I'm going to get in a wreck type deal. That's what that screams. It screams, I'm getting in a wreck soon. Where's my jacket? Oh, there's my jacket. It screams, I'm going to get in a wreck soon. Okay. That's what that screams. Man, crazy. This man is crazy. I wonder how long I've been broadcasting. I'm pretty sure I've been broadcasting for a long time because the first time I tried to work out, it was a fail. It was a fail. I love this jacket. It's my favorite jacket. If I had something to sit on, I would have sat on it out there for a little bit, drink me some hot cocoa, enjoy the snowfall. fun today, though. Like, I think this is the most fun I've ever had on this broadcast before. And I've broadcast a lot, but I had a lot of fun. I want to bring my lights back up. I used to have lights that changed colors in here, but now they broke. And I got to get some more lights in here. For sure. Let me get out of here. Let me edit this YouTube video. I need to take a shower. Because I've been exercising for about an hour or so. However long I've been doing this, I've basically been exercising. So, I just hope everybody in this broadcast have a wonderful day. I'm probably going to go audio because I'm trying to rank up, period. This month, I'm coming for them. I'm just playing. Or am I? Anyways, I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day. I'm finna go audio. I'm just gonna be playing music on audio, but I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I hope you be safe. What's up, Roaring? No, I don't need help. I'm a grown woman. I can pull it off. Thank y'all. Have a good day. Let me see where vegan food's going.
So how often do you stream? Hey. I'm just kind of testing it out.
Dressing. I do not need dressing. I can actually just use this. I don't need this. I love soup. I love soup. Have you ever had broccoli and cheese soup? I'm supposed to be drinking this soda, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Ooh. That sounds good. Yeah, I don't supposed to be eating this. I mean drinking the soda. I'm supposed to be drinking water. Yeah, I don't even need a dressing. The lemon is good to go. I love guacamole. But I've never had guacamole chips. I forgot the flax seeds. That's okay. It's good. It's cool. I'm good with that. I've never had guacamole chips, but I'm gonna have to try. Yeah, I don't even need the salad dressing. This is good by itself. Baby girl. Oh my goodness. I'm already in love with the chips. I don't even have to eat them. And I know they're good. Oh, I bet guacamole chips would go good with this. I bet guacamole chips would be bomb with this. Ooh, maybe some salsa. Some salsa maybe. Or you can put it on the side with some enchiladas. Yo, this lemon is hitting. Hey, Bella Rose. Hey, girl. Oh, dang. Look, I ate half of the salmon, but we having a mukbang. And I got salmon, rice. I got lettuce underneath, and I got rice. I got some salmon. I got some lemon for some, you know. And I got some feta cheese, baby. Mukbang in this thing. Mukbang in this thing. Mukbang in this thing. Oh my goodness. Yo, if eating healthy tastes like this, I will eat healthy every day, I swear. This tastes better than eating unhealthy. Who would think that eating healthy would taste better? But when I add this is not going to be healthy. Well, it's still going to be healthy. It's just, this is Green Goddess dressing. Have you ever tried it before? I'm trying to see how many calories it has in it. Okay, where's the calorie? Oh, it's got 100 calories. What's up, papi? Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? All right, enjoy the rest of your day and be safe up in this thing. Be safe. Oh, baby girl. How was your day, Bella Rose? Did you enjoy your day? Oh yeah, I'm eating healthy all the time. Yo, this tastes like it came from a restaurant. Came like from a restaurant. I'm eating all the time. Healthy every day, baby. It was good. It was good. I was supposed to go somewhere today, but I ended up waking up late because I stay up late. Somebody help me. And yeah. I had no business staying up late, but I did anyways. I was up to like 6 o'clock in the morning. It was ridiculous. Somebody help me. What did you do today? What did you do today? You was up past that? For real? Have you got any sleep today? Okay, that's good. You know, health first. On the other broadcast, when you gonna start broadcasting? Oh yeah, I forgot about it. I'm sorry. I remember now. I remember now what you said. I remember you saying that that you was gonna get your phone on first and then you was gonna broadcast. I did, girl. Have you eaten dinner yet? You did. What did you eat? I love food, so I just like to hear what other people eat too. Are you not hungry? Are you all right? You're not stressed out or nothing, are you? Feel like I'm in a motherfucking restaurant. Restaurant status. But I will let everyone in the chat speak their mind. What you mean? I'm full. Like, already I'm full. Like, this is delicious. I'm full. I can take a full nap now. I could literally take a full nap. This that knock you out food. This that boom KO finisher. Oh, okay. We can talk about that. I don't think there's nothing wrong talking about that. They don't mind you talking about that. Only thing they do mind talking about, like, if you don't hear talking about, I guess, sex or something like being too explicit, or they care more about you showing your body and cussing people out. Stuff like that. That's what they care about. Start cussing people out, or if you smoking or something like that. Which I've never done. I don't care how mad I get on here with anybody. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm not cussing nobody on this app. This is my golden platform. It's nowhere in the world. Before I cuss somebody out on this app, I will block the freak out of them. I will kick them out of my room. I got a friend that got banned he got banned 3 times. Should have learned the first time. How did you get banned 3 times? How'd that happen? First, he got banned for smoking. Then, he got banned for cussing somebody out. Third time, he got banned for walking away from the camera. On here, it's a very engaging app. This app is like the suburbs. This is not the hood. If you do something crazy in the suburbs, you're gonna get arrested. They gonna have the cops there before you can say onomatopoeia. Oh, this is so good, man. Oh, it's gonna be like a group session. That's cool, yeah. Don't care. As long as you ain't doing what my friend did, take him for an example. That's cool, yeah. They don't care about that. They don't care about that. I'm trying to get the C rank. I'm trying to ball on them. Let me look at this meter. I'm trying to ball on them. I'm trying to shoot a 3 on them like Kobe. I'm still at E. Boom. Ooh. I am full. I ate a lot though. Well, I am full. Like, but I'm glad that I'm transitioning to like eating healthy because this is delicious. I'm gonna eat healthy every day. Period. If it tastes like this, I'm eating healthy every day. Feel like I was at an upscale restaurant. Nah, hold up now, because upscale restaurants, they not going to fill up your plate like that. All that rice I had, they would have gave me a cup full of rice. They would have gave me this big of a spinach. I mean, not spinach, but salmon would have been that big. They would have gave me a quarter lemon. And they would have gave me a pea-size thing of dressing. You can go over there. Huh? Oh. My camera's right here. Ooh, I should make breakfast in the morning and do a breakfast. Huh? No. I just did it because I was dancing. Oh, he can move it. Just unplug it. Right here. Ooh, ooh. So what you think, Bella Rose? I was thinking about next month or maybe the month before that, holding like a contest, right? And you want to be a vegetarian? Yeah, I want to be a vegetarian too. It just seems like the vegetarians look younger. So what you think, right? I was thinking about holding a contest, right? And my family name is We Lit. I was thinking about holding a contest, and like whoever's my top core fan, I was thinking of maybe having like a basket like that has like a cup and a sweatshirt and maybe some other stuff or whatever. I thought that would be cool. What you think? I see people out here, like I see people on other lives giving out gifts. And so I want to do that too. They giving out gifts. I want to give out a gift. I should do it. My freaking computer is going dead. How did that happen? I'm just going to let it go dead. I should do it? Okay, I'm going to do it. What else do you think should be in the basket? Huh? I don't need it. That's cool. Let me just stop this recording.